Welcome back to Life Changing Wealth. You know who it is. Your boy, Jay Biondo here. I post 2 videos every day about the stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate investments, anything that pretty much has to do with money. If you guys like the content, give the video a thumbs up. You know I want to turn you schlubs into my subs, so hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, guys, and let's jump into it today. I have a little, an interesting one, which is we're going to start talking about Tesla again. Yeah, it's it's an interesting one because before we even jump into the analysis, I want to take a quick look at a video that I had posted just a few days ago. So let me just pull that up and give you guys a quick sample. Once it breaks that $900 mark, I think it's going to fly. I still think it's going to fly. And so why do I think that? Well, typically when you see a new all-time high, usually you get a nice little bump. You get a little juice behind it. So I think that's going to happen, but I do think that there will be a pullback. So let's dive into some parts of this for a second, some parts of the chart. So right now, from the last level of resistance, really, we've only seen, about a 14% move. When in the past, at the last level of resistance, at the previous boom to the all-time high, we're looking at 39% move. So I think this is just getting started. I'm going to be looking out for at least another 15% move on this, and then I might. All right, guys. So that's pretty much where I wanted to start the video, and I want to create a little framework of what I said a few days ago. So let's look at the prices today. Wow, we're up almost to $1,000 a share. When I made the video just 3 days ago, we were down at $900, and I had mentioned that things might just take flight once we hit price discovery, and that's exactly what happened. We broke the previous all-time high for Tesla. Now we're off to price discovery mode. We're up over 15% or so. As far as my risk analysis goes, we still have a room to grow here. If we hit the probably around the $1,100 mark, maybe a little past that, that's when I'm going to consider taking some profits. I'm not going to take profits off the table just yet. I still think we have room to grow, guys. So that's really sort of the backstory, and in terms of the price movement. I mean, just look at this. Let's take a measured move here. So if we just go back to really once we started to kick things off here on the 15th, yeah, I mean we're up 22% in a matter of 10 days. So very exciting for Tesla, and I want to talk about why this happened. Why did we see such a catalyst? I mean, we already knew that Tesla was sort of teetering with the previous all-time high, but we didn't expect this. So let me jump into the news for today regarding Tesla. So if we check out this is let me refresh this. I mean we're about $1,000, but let's jump into this post here via Bloomberg. Look at this, guys. So a company I used to work for, Hertz, just ordered up 100,000 Teslas for their rental market shape up. So for those that aren't familiar, Hertz went out of business not that long ago. Sort of right around the COVID time, when no one was traveling and renting vehicles, and so now they're back in business and pursuing sort of the whole EV side of the rental business, which is very, very interesting. So this massive order from Tesla was just another catalyst to get things pushed up even higher for Tesla shares today. Next thing I want to talk about is Coinbase, really. So if we take another look, I've been talking about Coinbase and how it's another hedge against basically another way to get into crypto. It's another avenue where if you don't know maybe how to invest in crypto, but you know how to already jump into the stock market, throwing money in Coinbase is one way to do it. And guys, I also said this in a previous video that I expected this to go up, and I expect it to continue to go up as things progress with the crypto bull cycle. So this is just, again, a short-term investment for me, just a few months, and then I'll probably be jumping out of it. But we did see a nice move from Coinbase as well today. Other news in the stock market that I wanted to mention. Let's just jump over to this next graph here, or figure, which this sort of shows the earnings that are going to be released this week. So this is what's going out today. Facebook, TravelZoo, very interesting. These are sort of the ones I'm looking at. AMD, I used to own. That's going to be very interesting. I'm dying to know what happens on Tuesday with AMD. And this is just to give you guys a quick overview of the exciting news that's going to be popping off for the rest of the week, for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So very exciting news, and that's really it for the overview that I wanted to talk to you guys about. There will definitely be more stock market news. I guess the other thing to mention before I go is that if we take one quick bounce here back to give me 1 second, guys. We just head back over right here, and we go back into the charts real quick. So some other things I wanted to talk about is, and another reason why Coinbase is also in the process of moving up, is because the total market cap of crypto is pretty almost at an all-time high. And so Coinbase is making money on every transaction that happens on their system. And the other big news that I didn't have a slide for today, was that there's 1 million people waiting to get in on the Coinbase NFT, the new Coinbase NFT system. 1 million people are on the wait list. Okay, and so for perspective, on OpenSea, Ethereum's biggest platform for NFTs, there's only 700,000 members that have signed up. So just to give you some perspective, Coinbase could be skyrocketing with this new NFT play that they're working on. And as the total market cap goes up, I expect Coinbase to continue to rise. I also want to throw it just back over to the overall stock market. So, Tesla and most other investments are also on the rise now that we got this bounce off of the 20-week EMA, 20-week SMA. We got a nice bounce here, and we're bouncing back. So that's the exciting news, guys. That's what I wanted to leave you with for today. Don't forget to click on all my other videos. Subscribe down below. Let's get like 2,800 likes on this video. Also, give me your thoughts. Give me your comments on what do you think about Tesla, regardless of what you think about them as a company. What are your thoughts on EVs? Where do you think the market's going? Because a lot of people look at Tesla and think that just that it's really overvalued when you compare it to what their earnings have been in the past. But whatever it is, I want to hear from you. Write it in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.